Let's set up a scene attack. The battle scene will be used for these attacks. We'll begin by setting up custom actor motions. We can set up a number of different motions for each actor. Observe the format in how to lay out the character frames. If using custom motions, you need the idle motion set up at least. Pay attention to motion names when setting them up. The name is used to call the motion data later. Also, pay attention to the motion frames parameter. Enemies are set up in the same way as actors, therefore, we won't really go over this. You can set skills and items to have action sequences. For this video, we'll use Skill 1. For the skill, we have several different sequences to perform. Motion will execute the motion if the battler has it, and you can set a weapon motion to play alongside. We'll set up an item motion real quick. And that's it. If we want motion to return to idle after completion, enable motion refresh. We can set up requirements for each sequence. If the requirements aren't met, the sequence is skipped. With jump, we can have battler jump to specific point. Example, user to enemy. We aren't using jump at this sequence, so let's clear motion setup. Wait sequence can force the sequences to pause for a set amount of frames. Movement is like jump in that you can move the skill user to enemy or just shift battlers a little. Execute sequence will apply a set or default skill or item action to target. With input, we can have the player be involved in the sequence playout. Let's see how it looks. Forgot to set the skill to use the scene. We need to set this in the core plugin. The parameter we need to change is Action View. And it looks like it was successful. If we want to control motion speed, we need to modify our sequence durations. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.